In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a language dictionary with auto synonyms. We're going to walk through this process step by step in a simple and clear way, so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a language dictionary that can automatically suggest synonyms for you. This is especially useful if you're working with writing tools, translation systems, or any platform that supports plugins or extensions for language features. To begin, you'll want to open the platform or application you're using and look for the Marketplace section. The Marketplace is usually where you can browse and install add-ons, extensions, or integrations that extend what the main app can do. Look for a button or menu item labeled Marketplace, or something very similar, and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can search for tools and features. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type in the word language. This helps filter everything down to tools that are related to languages, dictionaries, translation, and similar features. Take a moment to let the search results load, and then look through the options that appear. From the results, you're looking for something that clearly relates to a language dictionary or synonym tool. When you find the right one, click to open its main page so you can learn more about it. Here, you'll usually see a description, some screenshots, and maybe reviews or ratings. This is a good chance to confirm that it supports automatic synonyms, or at least dictionary-style lookups. Next, look for a button that lets you select or install the tool. It might say something like Select, Install, or Add. Go ahead and select it. The platform may ask you to confirm that you want to add this feature to your workspace or account. Approve that, and wait a few moments while it's being added. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts might guide you through basic setup, such as choosing your default language, specifying whether you want automatic synonym suggestions as you type, or deciding where in the interface the dictionary should appear. Take your time with these options, because they control how helpful and visible the dictionary will be in your day-to-day use. When you've finished following the prompts, your language dictionary with auto synonyms should be ready to go. You can now start writing or editing text and take advantage of quick built-in synonym suggestions to improve clarity, variety, and tone in your language.